Alright, YouTube, I am back again. This is Trekker Pro. Now I'm here to review the Victorinox Classic SD, which goes for a price of $18, and it is 2 1/4 inches big. And this is what it is, made by Victorinox, and it's in the color red, and it comes in red, cobalt blue, black, pink, gray, white, yellow, shamrock green, hunter green, purple, stay glow, Star of David, ruby, sapphire, onyx, emerald, amethyst, and citrine. But I got it in red, so this is a good little pocket knife. Nothing overwhelming, but something good that you could put on a keychain. It has a small blade right here, which more considered a pen knife blade. Has some scissors with a bent piece of metal right here, which acts as its spring. And it has a, let's see, where is it? A nail file with a little screwdriver tip. It has the classical toothpick right here and tweezers right here. And it has a key ring. And it also comes with a lifetime warranty. And all the Victorinoxes that I know of, right on the base of the blade right here, it says Victorinox Switzerland stainless. Yep, it says it on the blade right there. I don't think you can see it, but this is the Victorinox emblem, the Swiss cross with a shield, and that's the back side. But what I prefer over Victorinox is Wenger, which is the genuine Swiss Army knife, compared to the Victorinox, which is the original Swiss Army knife. But I'm biased towards Wenger, but I can deal with Victorinox too, just because they work together and they're both Swiss made and legit. So this is the Victorinox Classic SD for 18 bucks. You can get it on www.swissarmy.com, which is the Victorinox Swiss Army website. And I'll keep you updated with more videos on equipment and gear. And please subscribe to my channel, Trekker Pro. And that's all I got for today. Thanks.